Assalomu alaykum hammaga, mani eshitib turganligim. So I'm going to now explain the test 5 from Green Book. Bu safar sal boshqacha qilmoqchiman. Like, I'm not going to read the whole text. I'm going to work for synonyms and for the words that can come from the text. I just want to skim, not reading a full text, because I heard that some benefits of it. Just a minute, I have to correct my screen first of all, and then we'll continue. So, test 5 is about tennis rackets, I think, yeah. How tennis rackets have changed. Qanday qilib tennisdagi raketkalar o'zgarish haqida ekan bu tekstimiz. Let's look. I need highlighter. Just a minute. Okay, let's move. How tennis rackets have changed. How tennis rackets have changed. The modification that Murray made is just one of the numbers. I have changed my technique. Like, let's look at the questions first. Tennis rackets and how it has changed. Mike and Bob. Qidiramiz. Mike and Bob Bryan. Mike and Bryan. Bormi deb bilan Mike and Bryan. Bitta yo'q. Mike and Bryan yo'q. Mana bittaga Mike and Bryan. Just a minute. Mike and Bryan mana. Mike and Bob Bryan. Topdik. Make changes to the type of. Type of synonym topishimiz kerak. Turi degan ma'noda. For example, we are very particular with our record specifications. They say all our records are sent from our manufacturer to Tampa, Florida, where our frames go through a thorough customization process. They explain how they have adjusted not only record lengths, but even experiment with different kinds of paints. Different kinds of synonym bo'ladi. The type of synonym. Use it on their record frames. Record frame change qaranglar. Change ga synonym. Changes ga synonym bo'ladi adjust. Adjust. Not only but also qaranglar. Not only but even experiment with different kinds of paint. Javob paint bo'ladi. Synonymga ishlayapman hozir. Like, the question is 8. Paint. 9 ga qaraymiz. Players were not allowed to use spaghetti strung rackets because of the amount of synonym topamiz. Is created. Something is created. Produced bo'lishi mumkin synonymi. Primary reason for this modification is simple. As the line between winning and losing becomes thinner and thinner, and these slight changes become more and more important. As a result, players and their teams are becoming increasingly creative with the modification to their racket as they look to maximize their competitive advantage. Primary reason, asosiy sababi, spaghetti hali kelmadi qaranglar. Spaghetti stranglar hali kelmadi. Keladi. Pastroqda kelishi mumkin. Rocket modification mainly dates back 1970 when the amateur degani birinchi havaskor degani. Amateur. Bilmaydigan so'zlar yaxshi yodlab olsanglar yaxshiroq. Amateur German tennis player started playing with so-called spaghetti strung racket. Boshlabdi o'ynashdi spaghetti strung racket bilan. Keldi mana spaghetti strung racket kelib. Players, o'yinchilar were not allowed to use. O'yinchilar ruxsat etilmabdi spaghetti strung racketsdan foydalanishga, chunki nimadir yaratib bergan ekan u. It created a string bed that generated so much Qaranglar, so much ga sinonim bo'ladi amount. Amount degani sanalmaydigan narsaga nisbatan ishlatiladi. So much top spin aylanish degan ma'noga keladi. Top spin javobimiz bo'ldi. Hop. Men hozir mana buni qidirdim. Spaghetti strangda tepada yo'q ekan, mana qatorimizda yo'q ekan. Ikkinchi abzatsda shunga men tezda 3 ga o'tib ketdim. It created a string bed that generate ga sinonim create. Generate ga sinonim create bo'ladi. O'sha joylari kerak hali. Generate ga sinonim bo'ladi create. Create ga sinonim generate. Amount ga sinonim so much. Shunda top spin da olamizda. So much top spin 9 ga. Unga qaraymiz. Changes to records. O'zgartirishlar harakatga can be regarded as. Considered bo'lishi mumkin mana shu. Being as important as players diet. O'yinchilarni ovqatiga yoki nimasidek muhim bo'lishi mumkin. As important as muhim bo'lishi mumkin ekan. Believe it bo'lishi mumkin. Players diet or they do. Qandaydir narsa they do, ular qiladigan narsa ekan. Hop, o'zgartirishlar modification can be divided into two categories. Ikkita kategoriyaga bo'linishi mumkin ekan. Jicha o'tib ketib qoldi, menimcha teparoqda ham javob bo'lishi mumkin. However, within a decade or two, record modification became regularity. Today, it's in many ways an aspect of the game that is equal in significance to nutrition. Nutrition synonym bo'ladi dietga va or degani to'g'rimi? Or the training javob bo'ladi. Training. Or the training. 11 ga qaraymiz. 11 ga bizga kerak bo'ladi. Hop, aspect buni in many ways important ga significant qaranglar. Significance ga important synonym bo'ladi. Hop, keyingisini ko'ramiz. 11. All records used to have a natural string made from the. Hamma harakatlarda tabiiy simlar bor ekan, made of. Mana buni topishim kerak. Made from nimadan yaratilgan? Of an animal. Hayvonda nimasidan yaratilgan? Animals. Modification can be divided into two categories, those to the string bed and those to the rocket frame. Ikkita narsaga o'zgartirish kiritilishi mumkin ekan. The former is far more common than later. String qarang. Former degan so'z bor. Former string bed ga nazar tutibdi. The choice of string and tension with which they are installed is something that nearly all professional players experiment with. They will continually change it depending on various factors including court surface, climate condition and game style. Some will even change it depending on how they feel at the time. Animal degan narsa hali kelmadi. Natural string bor, used to have natural string made from la hali kelmadi. At one time all 10 rockets were strung with a natural gut mana. Natural gut made from keldi. Made from the outer layer of ship, made from the outer layer, tashqi qatlamidan, ship or cow ga sinonim bo'ladi animals. Made from the intestines bu oshqozon ichaklaridan degani. Outer layer of the ship or cow, intestines. Javobimiz bo'ladi intestines. Intestines ko'plidan, intestines ko'plida kelibdi. Made from ga mana o'zida kelgan natural gut deganda mana string. Used to have ga at one time all times were strung at one time bir paytlar degan ma'noga kelibdi. From the intestines. Keyingisiga o'tamiz. Pet Sampras kelish kerak. Pet Sampras qayerda bor ekan? Pet Sampras. Bu yerda yo'q qaranglar. Pet Sampras degan odam yo'q. Pastroq tushamiz. Pet Sampras degan odam qayerda bor ekan? ko'rmadim. Pet Sampras bu qatorda ko'rmadim. Mana maytda bor ekan. For example, Pet Sampras degan maytda bor ekan. Had metal, metali bor ekan. Metal nimasi bor ekan? Had metal nima? Put in the frame of his racket. Frame anosiga qo'yibdi-da. Ramkasiga qo'yibdi raketkasini. For example, much of the serving power of UFC professional player was attributed to the addition of 4 or 5 lead weights onto his rackets. And today many professionals have the weight adjusted during the manufacturing process. Metal. Metal weight maker. The rocket frame itself, playing beyond this basic adjustment to the string and make changes to the rocket frame itself. Had metal nima? Teparoqda yo'qmi? However, many players go beyond this basic adjustment to the string and make changes to the rocket frame itself. For example, much of the serving power of USA professional player was attributed to the addition. Additionga synonym bo'libdi qaranglar. Had qo'shgan, put into gani. Put into additionga synonym bo'libdi. The frame of his rockets. Metal nima qo'ygan ekan? 4 to 5 lead weights onto his rackets. Weights bo'lsa kerak. Metal weights. Lead 4 to 5 lead temir degani bo'lishi kerak. Lead ko'ramiz. Lead nima degani? Lead temir bo'lishi kerak. Lead yo'l boshlash degani to'g'ri. Yana boshqa ma'nolari ham bo'lishi mumkin-da. Mana metal. Leadga nisbatan qo'rg'oshi, mana qo'rg'oshi metal. Synonim topdik. Leadga metal, had metal weights. Og'irliklar degani weights. 12 ga weights. 13 ga ko'ramiz. 13 ga qoldi, oxirgisi qoldi. Gangolo Oliver degan odam bor ekan. Mana Gangolo Oliver. Hop, Gangolo Oliver change it. Replace it ga synonym. Replace it ga synonym bo'ladi. Change it. The origin on his rocket handles. Handles degani ushlash joyi, tutkuchi. Tutkuchidagi nimasini o'zgartirgan? The original grips of his racket. Grips ushlagich degani grips. The original on his rocket handles. Change it the grips on his rocket handles. Grips of his rockets. Original bo'lmaydi, grips javob bo'ladi qaranglar. His rocket handles. Handles ga mana ishlagichlari. Ishlash uchun juda ham uncomfortable bo'lgan, shuning uchun u ishlagichlarini o'zgartirgan. Grips beta ishlagichlari. Synonymga ishladim hozir, buni ustida necha minutda qildim. It was 14 minutes. Menimcha yaxshiroq, narigilardan ko'ra 30 minut yoki 27 minut qilganimdan yaxshiroq bo'ldi menimcha. Boshda polni o'qib chiqay turaman. So I didn't read the whole text, I just worked for synonyms, and that's why I found it more easier, I think. Change it, grips. Keyingilarda ham xudo shunaqa qilsam kerak, bilmadim. I want to change my style. That's why I'm just trying to work on synonyms. That's all. Okay, have a nice day. Sog' bo'linglar. Hammaga rahmat. Sinonim topib berdim. Joylarini ko'rsatdim. Juda qanday Google Oliver va boshqalarini topish bo'yicha. Maslahat berardim. Mana, misol uchun ko'rayapsizlar ham. Bilmagan so'zlarni ko'ringlar. Customized yoki specific records degan so'zlarni ko'rsanglar yaxshiroq bo'ladi baribir. Sog' bo'linglar, charchamanglar.